For agencies operating in shallow, congested, or inshore waterways, size matters more than anything else. You don't need a bigger boat, you need the right boat for the mission. This is the AM700, purpose-built for inshore and nearshore law enforcement operations. And let's take a look at how it's set up. Right away, what stands out is how open and usable this space is. Plenty of forward deck space, clear pathways around the console and the leaning post, easy transitions around the boat. Let's jump in. So the first thing we notice in this forward working deck, it's a true working space. Whether you're doing line handling, interdiction, or bringing someone aboard, not only do we have storage, we have plenty of access. It's not just a place to stand. A lot of vessels in this size range get very tight very quickly. Let's go ahead and move to the helm. First thing we noticed about the helm is it's laid out with clean, simple layout to reduce distraction and help with decision making. Everything laid out very easy to get to, straightforward controls, good visibility, and set up for single or two officer operation. From here, let's move aft. Notice we move to the aft working deck is the extended T-top. A little bit bigger than you see for a vessel of this size, but that's intentional. This gives another place for a passenger, whether you brought someone aboard or second officer, to have a secure place to stand out of the elements without forcing them into the helm area. Here in the remainder of the aft working deck, we have a lot of space, not only for storage, but just working deck space for recovery operations, managing equipment, as well as secure weapon storage, and clear access around the engines. One thing also to note, in the deck, as with the forward working deck, we have watertight access hatches to the bilge, which are critical for long-term maintainability, serviceability, and inspection. This boat is built around the missions agencies actually perform: patrol and presence, interdiction and boarding, search and rescue. This boat's not overbuilt, it's not undercapable, it's focused. So for agencies operating in inshore and nearshore environments who still need to sometimes go offshore, the AM700 is designed specifically around your missions. If you want to hear more about the AM700, or if you have other missions and other platforms you would like to hear about, feel free to reach out to us. I'm Dave Hunt, Director of Business Development at Silver Ships Incorporated.